Hey guys, what's up? So today's video is going to be making my very own clock. So you're going to be needing the clock piece, paint. This paint was from the house that I made. Green paint, at least I will remember that. White, blue, some glue. I feel like glue and blue rhyme. For what I'm doing, I'm going to be needing hopefully 3 different paintbrushes. Fuzzy ones. Brand new. So this one for the bigger spots. More like the trunk. This one for maybe the leaves, and definitely this one for the leaves. So that's what they look like. The clock piece, a Sharpie, and then you're going to need the clock kit, which is already made. You can get them at Michael's, because that's where I got mine, or probably any of your craft stores. But I'm keeping everything in here that I don't need because it'll just keep me a little bit organized, hopefully. And we're going to go into time lapse. I'm going to pull up a picture of a tree on my computer, and I'll see you guys in time lapse. By the way, you're also going to be needing cups, because I forgot to say that. So I'm going to be needing 5 because I'm using green in different colors. Blue, I'm going to tint lighter. And then just full on brown. Maybe I'll mix the brown, but I'm not sure. Alright guys, so I got my actual tree design. So the green is the leaves, the brown is the trunk. I'm going to be painting the blue portions first. And I don't know if, I think I'm just going to keep the frame of this around. I don't know yet, but we'll see what it looks like. And I'll see you guys in a little bit after I get done with the painting. And yeah. Okay guys, so the next part right now at this point is I have to let it dry. I don't know. Here's what it looks like. Basically this is dry. I don't know if the brown is dry. Actually it is, but I love the design. Like, it looks like a realistic tree. The top of the part of the tree has to dry, but I'm gonna put little light, like a lighter green on it too. I'm gonna mix or put some dark blue on here, just streaks, Hopefully I can get what I want. Hopefully not. But it doesn't matter because it's creative. And also, I don't know if I'm going to color this, but I think I'm going to have to. I don't know what color to do it. But probably blue. If not, I'll just drag the tree down here. But I do not know. And the numbers, I have no idea where they went. There was numbers to this thing, and they seem to be missing. I'll find them, probably, when I decide to write numbers, but we'll see. Shoot. Hey guys, hold on. So, right now, the clock is pretty much finished. I just gotta find the numbers. Like I said, I did lose them. I might just write them on. But, like I said, if it doesn't work, I really don't care. I just want it for decoration. Make it look like it was valuable or something. But the battery doesn't. It's moving too much right now. So I really don't care if it doesn't work. But if I find the numbers, you know what? Let's just do it what I want them to do. Why did I buy the numbers? Tell me that. Anyways, I'm going to finish up the little touches, and I'll see you in time lapse.